Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Dilip Sakali, and this channel is all about my career transition journey from healthcare, working as a night shift, to my data analytics. Uh, I always update my weekly. I document my weekly updates of my journey, and this is week 4 updates that I was doing so far for this week. Mm, and I promise you that we'll share everything honestly, whatever I have done so far. This week was quite fruitful, but not very productive as well. I would say like that because due to some data errors in data errors, I have to delete all the works done last week, and I have to do again. And I know it's not very easy and comfortable to do the work again and again, but what I think is this is my practice phase. So as long as you are practicing, it's good for me to understand the concept clearly, more clearly, instead of just copying and doing from copying from other stuffs. I also it also helps me to understand all the process step by step clearly. Like for example, to change the data types, to change data types like date, or sometimes the percentage is stored as a text, but when you store the percentage in a text form, it's you can't, it will make a trouble during the calculation, numeric calculation. So you have to change it into numeric value using cast or try cast to integer decimal, like that. Besides that, again, I created two tables. At first row table of staff turnover and finance table, and because of the all the issues came because of my synthetic data of financial table, so I have to make it revise it again. At least if I am doing something, I need it needs to make some sense. Otherwise, it's not point of working so hard and doing some projects for my portfolio. After creating raw table, I could not, as I said previous week, is not good approach to clean the tables in my raw table. So I have to make a different schema of clean table, and I have to work everything there. And after cleaning the table and standardizing the text, this time there was issues with the staff group, and there were like 18 19 staff groups of similar kind, but so that I have to reduce it up to 8 9, because what happens is like lots of issues, lots of text errors or incomplete form, like nurse and midwifery. Yeah, I can make it in one category, like nurse and midwifery, so that I can reduce four groups into one category. This was quite important to understand this thing, because more you have a category, it will make more confusion. Besides that, also I have some issues. I got issues with the staff turnover rate, because it was in percentage form stored in a text. I have to convert it into the numeric decimal form, and when I did exploratory data, when I did exploratory data, yeah, it gives the results staff turnover more than 100%, which is not realistic. And as I said before, also, if I'm doing the projects and then it is not realistic, then that doesn't make any sense, and I don't think it will help my helps to improve my portfolio as well, because if you are doing some project that needs to make some sense, not only the showcasing of your using the skill of SQL or Excel, anything, any tools like that. My main focus is to understand the questions and try to relate my main objectives of the project. So when I got staff turnover rate more than 100%, it's like 100%, all the employees are leaving the job, and this is not realistic. So I decided to take over like 50% turnover rate, and I did not delete all the data, which is more than 100%. But I only included during my calculation analysis time. I only included up to 0 to 50% of the turnover rate, and I converted. I also make a turnover band like 0 to 10% is minimum, and 10 to 20% is a medium one, and then above 20% is the maximum. I categorize the start turnover rate like that. After this EDTA calculation, data exploratory, I learned lots of things like SQL command like CTE, like a CTE using a window functions. It was quite helpful for me to know the clear concept, and more you what I feel like more you practice, more you will get a clear concept. For example, only copying and knowing the tools of what you are learning, or knowing the SQL tools is not will not improve your portfolio or knowledge. The main what I felt is like we have to understand the questions. We have to ask the different questions. How can we deal with that? And then only once you get the questions, you can manage to answer with using the different tools. And for this week, I could not generate a dashboard. But I only manage up to the data exploratory. I didn't only practice I didn't only spend my time on this project, but also I uploaded every day some posts related to the SQL queries, learnings in my LinkedIn to build some online presence, and added added the people who are related to the healthcare, NHS, data analytics, to make a bond, to make a connections network, so that in the future they can help me, or they can help me. I am trying to make the things for long-term visions, not like I'll apply today, tomorrow, and then done. It's not like that. I'm trying to build a path, and then I'm looking for the long-term visions for this career, for this transition of my career journey. As previous week, I spend minimum 1 hour for this learning, for this study time, and when there will be some time more, or in my night off time, I give more than 1 hour. It's not easy to maintain the focus, as I always said, but I'm always showing up and try to be consistent. If you are in the same path of a career transition journey, or stuck in the stuck doing the jobs, you're stuck doing the job that your degree has nothing to do with, don't get stressful. We are in the same boat, and comment me if you need any help. I can, if I can help you, and if this video feels inspire you, please you can like and subscribe me, and follow me. That's all. See you next time. I'll see you in next update. Bye bye.